When Taekwondo Strikes, also known as Sting of the Dragon Masters and Taekwondo Heroes, is a 1973 martial arts film directed and written by Feng Huang, produced by Raymond Chow. The exception with this film is the collective martial arts experience of the cast and the high-quality fight choreography. The film features experienced and well-known martial arts actors such as Angela Mao, Jhoon Rhee, the father of American Taekwondo, Wong In Sik, Ing-Sik Whang, Carter Wong, Kenji Kazama, Sammo Hung, Biao Yuen and Golden Harvest producer Andre Morgan. This was Jhoon Rhee's only film. Plot. The story is about the Korea under Japanese rule during World War II. A Korean nationalist played by Carter Wong gets into a fight with some non-Korean Japanese people and is chased into a church. The priest there is captured and tortured. Trying to secure his release, the leader of the resistance, Jhoon Rhee, is himself captured and tortured by the Japanese. Carter Wong, Angela Mao and Ann Winton have to now try and rescue him. This leads to an explosive climax with the heroes having to fight the likes of Wong In Sik, Hwang In-Sik, Sammo Hung and Kenji Kazama. Cast: Jhoon Rhee, Lee Chong-tong, Lee Jun-dong, Angela Mao, Wan Ling-ching, Wang Li-chen, Ann Winton, Marie, Andre E. Morgan, Father Louis, Carter Wong, Chin Zhang-jai, Chin Chun, Zhu, Wong Feng, Lieutenant Makibayashi, Wong In Sik, Hwang In-Sik, Japanese leader, Kenji Kazama, Japanese leader, Sammo Hung, Japanese, Alan Chui Chong-san, Japanese, Yuen Biao, Japanese, extra, Lam Ching-ying, Japanese, extra, Wilson Tong, Korean at restaurant, Ban Yun-sang, Japanese, Billy Chan, Japanese, extra, King Lee, Japanese, Sushia, Japanese, extra, Po Tai, Japanese. Reception. The movie has a mixed reception from critics. References. External links. When Taekwondo Strikes on IMDb.